Hey everyone, Mike Planet here. I get so many times the question, where do you get your music licensee? Or this is an awesome song you use, where do you get it from?
So in this video I want to show you where I find my music and my sound effects.
And I will show you which music licensee platform I'm using, and we see us after the intro. Boom! So I'm using different music platforms over the 5 years now, but there is one platform I'm using it consistently. Literally 70 to 80% of my videos have the music from Artlist. I'm using Artlist since 2016 and I have tried out so many other music platforms, but Artlist was standing out for me at most, so that's why I choose go always to Artlist, and also this is why I'm doing this video here and also cover the question I get always asked. Why is music so important? You will give to the audience the feeling you want to show when they watch the videos. Imagine you would see a silent clip without anything. You don't know, like, is it a sad moment? Is it a happy moment? And that's why music is so important. You can lift up your videos with background music, or you make a social media advertisement video which you want to have a high upbeat, or you want to create a cinematic drone video. It's so important to get the right song, to find your music and the emotion you wanna give to the audience from watching your videos. Also with the music, it makes your video more engaging. People pay more attention. The viewers want to get entertained, and when you change different music, so it gives a good feeling and they really stay on your video and watch it from start until the end. Artlist is the place where you can find easily your music, and it's also in high quality. They have also a sound effects library where you can find some punches, some points, noises, whatever. So when I'm traveling, I'm using Artlist on my phone, and then I'm just picking the music. And also if I want to share a video on social media, then I can straight away download it to my phone and can use the song and can edit a video on my mobile phone and share it straight away to social media. One thing what I like at most is that Artlist has a huge music library which is well organized in genre, mood, video scene and instruments, so that you will get the right music for your video.
Here we go. We are right now here on the Artlist page where you can see the pricing is here on the right side. The best plan I recommend is the yearly one here, where you have the music and the sound effects together. So you have unlimited music, unlimited sound effect, and it's a lifetime use. So once you downloaded your song, you can use it whenever you want and multiple times. So that's the good thing on Artlist. So that's the Artlist interface here right now. So what you can see on the left side, you can choose mood, you can choose video theme, genre, and instrument. And Spotlight is a kind of search, and you have here the sound effects. And then they have this footage section where you come to ArtGrid to buy some stock footage. So now you want to have a video where you go to the mood, you want to have an uplifting for maybe your advertisement video, or you want to have a funny mood or a happy mood. That's what you can all search here. You can combine them together as well. So if you want happy, funny and carefree, you find the songs in this 3 mood style. So and then you just check it out, like which song you like and really love this song, for example, then you just pin it here, make it as a favorite, or you look here for similar songs which has the same style. Or you can also create a collection here where you can create, for example, background music, some travel music, so you can put all the songs about like travel, all the songs about like background music, you can put them here in the collections. And Artlist created also the video themes where you can find some wedding music, nightlife music, travel, and you don't need to look for the different genre. If you go there, that's what the people most use. It's easy to find really nice songs very fast. So now you have your song, you love this song. If you go through the songs, you can also use your keyboard shortcut C. So you go from one song to the next song and then you just zap in the middle or whatever to see how the song sounds. When you say then, I want this song, then you click here on this little card button. You bought it actually, so not really, you need to go to checkout. When you click then checkout, sometimes it's a little bit complicated. So what I did here, you need to click this button, boop. So you go in your library, latest download history. You get also right now an email. So then you go here to the end to see the license, download it in MP3 or in WAV format. And that's actually all. Once you click it, you just wait, you download it and you use it in your video track. Once you downloaded your song, you can use it everywhere in social media or for your advertisement video, for your personal video, and you can use it multiple times, and you also can use the song for lifetime. Also very important are sound effects for your videos. So here this is the sound effects section. So if you want to have some footstep, you can click on footstep, wooden floor, high heels, natural. We want natural surface. We're going here, then you say like, okay, step and shoes, and then you have this awesome sounds. For my latest drone video, I downloaded literally 40 sound effects you can see in my YouTube channel here, and I will show you this video right now how it sounds without music and just sound effect. As you can see, sound effects are very important for your videos to make a nice story, and also if you finish your video with the sound effects and the background music, you're on a next level. Your video is a really high quality video and it sounds different and you stand out, and it's just fun to play around with sound effects. Let's go back.
That's just a quick video about Artlist, the music platform I use at most in my videos or for my client work, and I hope I can help you with it or to make the decision to just check it out. And if you use my link in the description down below, you will get like 2 extra months to the 1 year. So you have it for 14 months. Then you have a lot of time to just discover new music and lift up your videos. And also you will support this YouTube channel here for creating more and more content. What do you think about Artlist? Do you will give it a go to see how it is? If you have any other question, please let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we see us in the next video. Peace, and let the music running. Boo!